Hello everyone! Welcome back again to Marilyn Paris Vlogs! And if you are new to this channel, welcome to Marilyn Paris Vlogs! So sana magustuhan niyo ang video na ito guys. And for today's video ay mag-unboxing tayo. May in-order ako para sa husband ko for Valentine's Day. Kaso lang late na guys. Today is February 15. So late na siya pero may kasabihan tayo na better late than never. So, yan guys. Ito yung order ko para sa hubby ko. At, bago natin yan bubuksan ko muna yung binigay niya sa akin. Ayan. Wow, ang laki naman ito. Wow. So, ang laki na guys. Pwede na ako matulog dito. Oh my God. Grabe, ang lambot ng blanket na ito guys. And ang ganda niya guys. Pwede na ako matulog.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't right.
So, ayan. So, ngayon naman ay bubuksan natin ang para sa hubby ko.
Like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, ain't right, right, ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, 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 it ain't right, right.
So, ayan guys. This is for my hubby. At syempre, meron din para sa mga bata. Ayan, buksan natin ito mamaya. At syempre, unahin muna natin ang para sa hubby ko. Ayan, so sa Amazon ko po siya na-order guys. Ayan. So, ayan siya. mamaya tatawagin ko yung hubby ko. Pero bago yan, syempre bubuksan ko muna ito. Ayan. Buksan muna natin itong para kay Glenn at saka kay Nathan. So, andito na guys, mabigat siya. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Diba parang luma na to na laruan? Natagal na to na ganyan. Oh my God, ang ganda niya guys. Pero ibibigay ko to sa kanila mamaya bago sila matulog. So, ayan guys. Ready na ang dalawa. At ibibigay ko na ang kanilang gift. Are you ready, both of you?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Nathan first, okay? Okay, now open your eyes, Nate. Whoa! Now, wait a minute, Kuya, okay? Okay. I'll gonna count 1 to 3, Kuya, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? It's Swinky. It's a metal Swinky. Super strong.
Wow!
That one is cool. Wait, I have a test. I want to test it. It's got wiggly drift. Here's a stuzzle.
How about you, Nate?
Okay. I'm gonna test.
You like it, Nathan? Wow, look at that.
It's so.
Try to put it here, Nate. Wow. What else?
Open it up.
Yeah? Try it.
Inside.
Oh, you want to put it inside?
Inside. I know. It's very bad. It's very bad.
Yeah.
It made me so it's a swing needle.
Yeah.
Swing needle.
Try it.
Oh my God. That one kind of close. Mommy!
Yep.
It got 2 step points. I win! I have a little.
So, ayun na nga guys. Nagustuhan naman nila yung aking simple gift para sa kanila. Ayan. Pero yung sa hubby ko, gusto ko sana siya kahit mag-hi na lang sa vlog ko. Pero ayaw niya, so wala tayong magagawa. So, respetuhin natin yon. Ayan. At yung ito naman guys, yung link nito, ilalagay ko yung link nito just in case you want to order. Ayan. Tapos ito naman, ang ganda-ganda ng kulay at napakalambot just in case you want to order. Ayan, so ilalagay ko yung link sa baba. So ayan, so kahapon guys, nag-order lang yung hubby ko ng pagkain sa restaurant kung saan kami palaging pumupunta every Valentine's Day or wedding anniversary namin. Ayan, so magkaiba yung pagkain namin. So yun lang yung, wala naman, hindi kami lumabas, dito lang kami. So ito na nga, late siya, pero maigi na yung late kaysa wala. So ayun guys, end ko na ang video na ito. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, huwag nating kalimutan ang mag-like, subscribe, at pakiclick na din ang ating bell notification para lagi tayong updated pag may bago akong upload. Bago ko end ang video na ito guys, belated Happy Valentine's Day sa ating lahat. Ayan, at ingat tayong lahat saan man tayo magpunta. At maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at walang sawang panunood. Ayan. So, maraming salamat guys. And that's it for today. Bye!